Giggles and grapes.
Hi kids, today we are going to learn how to make surprise cards. For this you have to see the folding technique carefully. Fold the paper into half. Look, we are pressing good so that we get a good crease. Make that crease your guideline. Fold one end of the paper towards that crease. Press it. As you have well observed the process, get ready for the best part. I am drawing an apple using a marker. Ready for the surprise. I am going to make the inside of an apple and a worm too. Let's color it now. Use your imagination and watch what you can do. It's done. Here is the final result. This is an apple. Oh no, a worm inside. What a surprise! You can surprise your friends too. Let me show you another example. Get another paper and repeat the process. Fold, press, turn. 3 simple steps. Now draw. I am drawing a gift box. What do you think is inside? A cake would be nice. It's time to color. I have a friend who has a birthday today. This card would be great for it. Let's write the wish. Wow, it's done. Which one do you like the most? Don't forget to share your creation too with us. Until next time, bye-bye, Juniors.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.